Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived two brothers named Sam and Tim. They were as different as night and day, yet their bond was stronger than the roots of the tallest oak. Sam, the elder brother, was known far and wide for his wit and wisdom. He was a quiet man, always lost in thought, and his words carried the weight of ages. Tim, on the other hand, was the life of every party. He loved laughter and adventure, and his heart was as vast as the sky. Their father, before he passed away, left them with a small plot of land. "Take care of each other and this land," he said, his voice filled with love. "Together, you can accomplish anything." Sam and Tim cherished their father's words, but as the seasons passed, they found themselves drifting apart. Sam tended the fields with meticulous care, while Tim roamed the countryside in search of excitement. Their differences brewed a storm of resentment between them, threatening to tear their bond asunder. One day, a terrible drought descended upon the village, withering crops and drying up wells. Desperation gripped the hearts of the villagers as their livelihoods hung in the balance. Sam toiled day and night, praying for rain to quench the thirsty earth, while Tim roamed farther, seeking a solution beyond the horizon. Weeks turned into months, and still the heavens remained silent. Sam's fields turned to dust, and his heart grew heavy with despair. Tim, on his travels, heard whispers of a legendary spring hidden in the heart of the forest, said to possess waters that could revive even the most barren of lands. Filled with hope, Tim raced back to the village, his eyes gleaming with newfound purpose. "Brother," he exclaimed, breathless with excitement, "I've found it. The spring of life, deep within the woods. Together, we can save our home." Sam's heart swelled with gratitude, and for the first time in what felt like an eternity, the brothers stood side by side, their differences forgotten in the face of adversity. With renewed determination, they set out into the forest, guided by Tim's unwavering spirit and Sam's steady wisdom. Their journey was fraught with danger, as the forest whispered secrets of trials to come. Yet, fueled by their bond and the love for their home, they pressed on. At last, they reached the heart of the forest, where the spring lay hidden beneath a canopy of ancient trees. As they approached the shimmering waters, a voice echoed through the clearing, ancient and wise. "Two brothers, bound by blood and love, you have shown the true meaning of unity. Drink from the spring, and let its waters nourish not only your land, but your souls as well." With trembling hands, Sam and Tim cupped the cool water in their palms and drank deeply. And as the first drops touched their lips, a miracle unfolded before their eyes. Rain poured from the heavens, washing away the drought and bringing life back to the land. With tears of joy streaming down their faces, Sam and Tim embraced, their bond stronger than ever before. United in purpose and love, they returned to the village, where their deeds became legend, inspiring generations to come. The morale of the story of the two brothers is that unity, cooperation, and understanding can overcome any adversity. Despite their differences, Sam and Tim realized the power of working together toward a common goal. Their bond, strengthened by love and mutual respect, enabled them to face challenges head-on and achieve what seemed impossible. This story teaches us the importance of setting aside differences, embracing diversity, and coming together as a community to overcome obstacles and create a better future.